Heuria hau o Ngāti Kapu, no Ngāti Raukawa, no Te Ati Awa ki whakarongotai. Ko Takiti Awa, ko Tararua nā pai maunga, ko Raukawa te moana, ko te pau o Tainui te marae. Ko tōku māma, me tōku pāpa, ka haere mātou te whānau ki ngā museums, me ngā whare toi. Now, I remember strongly going to these places and being curious. Walking into the Dominion Museum and seeing toi Māori, and I was really taken with there must be stories associated with these. I started as a reporter, a newsreader at Radio Waikato, and then as fate would have it, two artists rang me, Hardy Williams and Henare Tua, and they called me out of the blue and said, can you come and talk to us? We're setting up what was then the forerunner of Whakaata Māori. Barely out of my teens, and that became my world. The Tohu has some of the kupu in it that I think really speaks to who I am, which is Maui was a Hautūtanga. I'm a bit of a Hautūtanga. Storytelling was seen as somewhat of an elite practice. It's not an elite practice in the Indigenous world. I never wanted Māori land just to be about film. Film needs every artist because we rely so much on each other. And also it showed us that if we had a place together, then the sharing goes beyond Aotearoa or beyond a community. It reminds us all that we are part of something bigger. And that's what Māori land to me represents. The storytellers are all of us as artists.